Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin rise 0.6% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Toyota Motor Corp said it expects operating profit to climb 10% this business year, with a five-fold jump in pure electric vehicle sales amid an easing in global supply chain disruption wrought by a chip shortage. British firms reduced hiring of permanent staff via recruitment agencies at the fastest pace in more than 2 years, a survey showed, just before the Bank of England announces its latest move to tackle inflation pressure. Stablecoin issuer Tether reported $1.4 billion in net profit for the first quarter of the year, double the previous quarter's result, according to its latest attestation published this week.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's Eco Watchers survey current at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Eco Watchers survey outlook at 0500 hours GMT. The Irish HICP will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The US Producer Price Index at 1230 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 0100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.